in order to make vanilla infused vodka, you want to pour your bottle of vodka into a sealable airtight jar, like so. And then all you need to do is just split these vanilla pods. So take a very sharp knife, run it along the length of the pod, like that, before adding that into your jar. You don't have to scrape the insides out or anything. You just need to run it the full length like that so it opens up and will release the flavour much more easily. That's going to go in there. You're then going to need to close this, seal it, and then go and put it somewhere safe and warm. Pantry, airing cupboard, that kind of thing will do well. Give it a little shake to agitate it, and then go and check on it every day. I would say that usually that's 5 to 7 days is what I do for my batches. You will find out your own recipe, taste it every day, check when you think it's a strong enough flavour for you, and then you're ready to move on. We're just going to take the vanilla pods out of there, and then we can pour this through a coffee filter or through cheesecloth, whichever you prefer. We pour this in like so, and that will filter through. Obviously, once that starts to filter through, you'll see the liquid coming through. You just keep adding, topping more in until the whole thing is done. Bit of a slow process, but it's all good. And then once you've done that, obviously you can then either return this liquid back into the original bottle you used. I recommend you label it so you know that it's different from a regular bottle, or you can obviously put it into a sealable bottle like that, and that will also keep it fresh for you until you need to use it. So there you go.